to the eastern sky. Same tears fall, yeah, we all cry. Different flags, but the pain feels same. Mothers calling out the children names. Sirens in the night, yeah, the world feels cold. Broken dreams never getting old. We ain't enemies, we just lost in fear. Trying to find peace, but it's disappearing here. Turn the news off, listen to the heart. We've been divided way too far apart. If love's a language, let it translate. Before it's too late, we seal our fate.
You are my heaven, under the same sky. USA to Iran, we don't have to fight. You are my heaven, through every hard time. Put the hate away, let the love decide. You can tell your pain, I won't judge you. Every tear you hide, I feel it too. Different names, but the heart's the same. While we're playing in a losing game. From New York lights to Tehran nights. Same moonshine, same hopes inside. If we listen, we can understand. We don't need war, we just need hands. You show me how to trust. Beyond the fear and dust, there's still a way to go. You show me how to stand together hand in hand and let the future grow.
Look, no more lines drawn in the sand tonight. We can turn the dark into a light. USA to Iran, let it be known. We all want peace, we all want home. No more war cries, let the kids grow free. Write a new story for humanity. Put the guns down, let the truth rise up. One world, one love, yeah, that's enough. If you stand strong,
we can break the chain, heal the scars, wash away the pain.
it's one sky above,
One life we share.
so tell me why we still fighting, yeah.
Under the same sky, USA to Iran, we don't have to fight. You are my heaven, through every hard time. Put the hate away, let the love decide. When the world is breaking down and the silence screams so loud, we can be the ones who try. We can choose a different side. No more tears, no more pain. No more loss, no more blame. If we stand as one tonight, we can turn the dark to light. Under the same sky, USA to Iran, let the hate just